This one is called Lose My Mind, and it's only a 2-wall dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And now I'll do it with the step names. 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine right, grapevine left, right heel, right hook, right flick, triple step, half turn, full turn.